morning, everyone. Here is page 116, lesson 2.9, the last page, the problem solving. So we're going to go over those problems together here. Problem number 5 says, how much will all the flowers cost? And I'm using this graphic here to help us figure that out. Mr. White's garden shop with flowers and quantity and cost of each. So we have to figure out what we can do here to find out how much each one costs. Well, daisies, there are 7 of them. That's 5. So I'm going to put 7 $5 right here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And when I add those up, if I count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35. So I know that there's $35 in just the daisies. Then I look at the roses, and there's 3 of them for $10. So a 10, a 10, a 10. And when I add those up, that gives me 30. For lilies, we have 4 $6. So 6, 6, 6, 6. And when I add those up, 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 6 more is 18. 18 plus 6 more is 24. And then we have petunias. There are 9 of them that are $4. So we're going to do 4 9 times. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to add those up. 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 4 more is 12. 12 plus 4 more is 16. 16 plus 4 more is 20. 20 plus 4 more is 24. 24 plus 4 more is 28. 28 plus 4 more is 32. And 32 plus 4 more is 36. And then we have marigolds. There's 9 of them that are $3. So I'm going to put up $3 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to add those up. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 more is 9. 9 plus 3 more is 12. 12 plus 3 more is 15. 15 plus 3 more is 18. 18 plus 3 more is 21. 21 plus 3 more is 24. And 24 plus 3 more is 27. So now we have how much each one of them costs. Now we're going to take those and add all of those up. So 35, 30, 24, 36, and 27. And add all those up. 5 plus 0 is 5. 5 plus 4 more is 9. 9 plus 6 more is 15, and 15 plus 7 more is 22. So put the 2 down. I regroup the 2 to the 10th place. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 2 more is 8. 8 plus 3 more is 11. 11 plus 2 more is 13, and 13 plus 2 more is 15. Put the 5 down. There's nothing to regroup the 1. So, how much did all the flowers cost? $152. That's doing a lot of repeated addition. We haven't done that in a while. Let's go on to the next one, number 6, using symbols. The cards show the number of points Sylvia and Malie have in a game. 14 in the hundreds, 2 thousands, 18 tens, and 11 ones. Malie has 7 tens, 5 ones, 36 hundreds, and 0 thousands. How many points do Sylvia and Malie each have? Who has the greater number of points? Use less than or greater than. So first we got to figure this out. So we're going to do a chart here. Like we're going to do our place value chart where we have the thousands, and we have hundreds, and tens, and ones. Now here it says, and right now I'm just going to put the numbers in that they've given us, and then we can fix them. She has 11 ones, 18 tens, 200s, excuse me, helps if I put them in the right place, huh? 2,000s and 1,400s. So let's fix those. Well, looking at here, I should only have one number in this place. So this means this 1 is going to come over to here. So it's really just a 1 in the ones place. This 1 comes over here to make that 19, but I can only have one number in the place value. So that 19, I'm going to leave the 9 from the 19, and then this one's going to come over here. And then that gives me 14 plus the one more I just brought over, 15. But I can only have one number in the place value. So in the 15, I'm going to put the 5 from the 15, and the 1 that was there now gets brought over to here. So instead of having 2, I have 2 plus the one more I brought over, which gives me 3. So she really has 3,591 points. Let's look at Malise. I'm going to do the same thing, doing a place value chart. Okay, so this says she has 0,000s, 3,600s, 5 1s, and 7 10s. So I'm going to look at those again. The 5 can stay a 5 because it's only one number there. The 7 and the 10s can stay because it's only one number. 36 and the hundreds, I can't do that. I can only keep the number on the right hand side, so it's a 6 in the hundreds, and this 3 that's in the hundreds place gets brought over because those are really thousands, and so then that makes a 3. So she has 3,675 points. So when I'm looking at this to put it on here, who has the greater number of points? Malia or Malie has the greater number, because if I use my less than or greater than sign, Sylvia has 3,591, but that is less than Malise of 3,675. Okay, last question, number 7. Val spent $378 at the mall. Her sister spent $291. About how much did the sisters spend together? When it says about how much, that's just usually giving us the idea that they want us to just estimate or round these numbers. So 378, I can round that. So 3, rounding to the hundreds place, I look at the 7 behind it, that says that 3 is going to go up to a 4, so we can have about 400. And then in the next one, 291, if I round that to the hundreds, 291, the 2, I look at the 9 behind it, the 9 says the 2 is going to go up to a 3. So I have, call it 400 plus 300, which is 700. So they spent about $700 together. So there are the answers to those problems. Thank you guys, and have a good afternoon.